An urgent plea from Odisha. Odisha is pleading. Our land, our homes, our lives are repeatedly ravaged by cyclones, each one more ferocious than the last. We are a people facing the storm again and again. The devastation is immense. We lose everything, but we refuse to lose hope. We, the people of Odisha, are pleading with you. You have the power to protect us. Our fate rests in your hands. The choices you make today determine our tomorrow. Global warming is not a distant threat, it's our present reality. The scorching heat is unbearable, the storms relentless. We are on the front lines of a climate catastrophe. We must not accelerate this destruction. Protect our forests. Conserve our water. Respect nature. These are not just words, they are our lifeline. Protect our seas, our land, our very existence. Think of the generations to come. What world will we leave them? A world ravaged by our negligence, or a world restored by our action? Protect nature so it can protect us all.